Alrighty. Go. These are the others that we pressed in and then trimmed off, and so now they're ready to be spun. This is, we'll do the next one and see how it goes. Okay, and so these have got to go through one more annealing, and then we'll spin them down, and then they'll be trimmed and fitted to their respective pistons. Got our mark right there, so you see the line right there?
Yep, you made it with a caliper.
I want to push it in straight, so our seam is right there. We'll go to the line. Okay. There we go. Yeah, this one has a nasty hole in one of the ports, so I'm going to silver. There you go. It only took way too long, but
That's nice.
it's all really good. So.
Yep.